Maglalaro ko guys today. We're playing that Squid Game. It's Squid Game time. So that's already. We're going to the Squid Game challenge. So like that. So maybe dito na lang. So today guys, we need to survive this game fight. So that's rare. Oh shit! Guys, I want to get it. Ah! Ah! Hey guys, I also survived that. So that's actually we need Trillionary and we need Sunset. So that's will maybe that thing. So maybe naka-record na nga tayo. Already guys, it's here. Maybe guys, mag-aya tayong kalaro. Uy, dun ka sa akin, may record na tayo. Guys, 10 minutes here, no have suffering now because other player not want to join me because of my kahit Tagalog naman pwede naman guys kasi ang talaga lang naman talaga mingle na ngayon. So maybe that's actually not guys, it's moving. Guys, you can see that bro. Start na guys yung music. Guys, madaya yun guys. I wanna survive but guys, no one wants to play with me now. It's 6 mingle bro. It's mingle game. So let's go to live on someone. Pagka naman ilang minuto naman tayo eh. So wanna see my grow garden but I'm noob. And don't press the button. I will be with this time. Guys, nandito na tayo sa don't press the button. So, ayun sakto na pagtabak. Build the snowman. Okay, we not have that. No, guys, I die. The first time I die. Channel, guys, channel. Oh, I'm lost. Madami ka na lang guys over the rocks. Guys, wala mo na ako Robux ngayon, kaya natali pinapakita ko sa inyo. It's 6 minutes. So maybe bombs. So I'm done guys. So maybe I could be the bomb. Oh, dalawa.